and welcome back to another episode of Hotel Fever. Good morning, guys. Today is my dad's birthday. Praise God for blessing our handsome dad for 70 years of life. We're so blessed to have such an amazing dad. May God continue to give our parents the strength so that we can continue to make more memories together. But since it's dad's birthday, I wanted to share a few memories. One of my favorite memories was when my parents were at Efaka Sasatalu. Once I knew that they were going to town, I would always try and go check the oil of their car so that they would take me with them and I didn't have to stay at home with my siblings and other people. When Hoku and I were at school, Dad would always make an effort to come out and take me to my soccer games, and my poor dad probably thought I was going to be Jasminda and carry on playing soccer in the future. He would turn up to our games all the time. Whatever sport I joined in school at the time, my dad was there. Like, honestly, he would never miss anything. So sometimes when I would walk home after school, I would always get so excited every time I saw Dad waiting outside. I was always happy to see him there because like it's always fun walking home with Dad. And not only that, we knew that we were going to stop at the takeaways to get some hot chips or even like a pie. My dad was always there. My parents were always there. Even now that I'm over 30, my parents are still here, still showing the same love. They do everything for us, and for that I am so grateful for them. But anyway, guys, we hope you enjoyed a few memories of us and our parents. Want to hear more memories? Comment below and we can share in our next vlog. Tuivasa and his team are on breakfast this morning, the yellow team. These guys are so serious. Everything's a competition to him. There's never a time. I guess it's just him going above and beyond. So he says, looking forward to having breakfast and eating fancy things this morning. After breakfast, the plan is to head over to Sapphire Springs with the fam to spend the day there, and then we'll come home and get ready for Dad's birthday dinner at Flat White. Enjoy our birthday vlog, guys. Thank you for tuning in the last few days, and I do apologize. This vlog has come out a month later after the birthday. But have a good day, everyone. Pamahuta! Oh, here we go again with this girl and her Zumba moves. We are so proud of our Archie for doing his wala'au. If you know him, you know that he is super shy, so this was a lot for him to do. The next vlog, you'll hear him do a launga with Reggie.
Welcome back to Downtime with Jay. It's day 3 here in White Market. Today is Papa's birthday, 9th of May, 1956.
It's just a beautiful day here in Waihi. We're about to go to the pools with all the boys and the firms, and yeah.
All I want to say is
why you come and shoot down on a good vibe ready to flow. You keep on coming and a coming, baby, please stop rocking my boat. Cause I'm ready to rock. Honey, don't say it if you're lying, cause I came here to water down your road. So baby, why you shoot down on a good vibe ready to flow? So whatever I am facing can't keep me down, can't keep me down, down, down.
Nice. Nice. Oh! 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 Den har spiked on face. Nice. Wait, 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 wait. Hey! Whoa! Oh! Nice. Oi! Sip. Oh! Late for.
Say your name and who you're wearing.
Alofa Tuivasa, and I'm wearing manus from Papua New Guinea, and a watch from Armani Exchange, and no shoes.
Yeah. Mom, who are you wearing tonight? Yeah. Hi, Dad. Who are you wearing tonight, dear? This is the birthday boy?
My usual costume.
Who sponsored you?
Everybody. Oh, yeah, Joyce. Hi, I'm Paul. This is and I'm wearing a dress. Yeah.
My name is Davey.
My name is Zane. I got the vest from Macpac. Got the Broncos gear from back in Brisbane.
With the selection, Market Fish of the day, salmon fillet, seafood chowder, scotch fillet, duck, and pie. Oh, that's interesting. Braised lamb and red wine. Yeah, that one. Fish and chips, Wagyu burger, Three Little Pigs burger. Food. Looking good. Salad with bacon.
I know. I'm getting a sirloin steak.
Oh, really?
Yeah, while I'm at it.
Are you gonna get the caviar on the
Alright.
You'll get the scotch fillet. Mom will get the... Oh, you're smart. Man, this place is so pretty. If it was open in the morning, we'll be able to see the view, but it's so pretty right now. I can hear the water. Guys can hear the water. We've got a big family. What the mini looks like. What I'm getting is
Well, dia mai manuia le atuanga le nia fitus futo sanga o so fua. A feire tu ta leni manga va ia misi fula na me alofa. O mai ne soi fua o te ma. Te kina la we. Si no ma tu kana. Te tele mo bi ia lo fio ma te ma. Ma tu ma futa le nia fia. Ma tu ma tua. Uso mo papine mo kana ula. Patai tu mo le.
Mai no mo le lalo nai baiano Pai ai mo dai mu para dai solano na Si mo mu erea kona erea dai Kuba bona tano para oi mo si bomu This is my food. I'm just finishing off Rumi's food, and San and Rada are finally eating. We look at you. Manuela Sofana, Manuela Sofana, Manuela Sofana, Make a wish and blow your candles. Fill up. Blow, blow, blow. Good boys.
Accurate to blow and blow.
That's quite nice. We cut the oh. Yeah. Happy birthday, Dad. Thank you. Tonight is our last night here in Waihi. Bao, Sana and Baba are the first to make their way back to Auckland. They've got an early flight to Samoa tomorrow for the whongo. We're just gonna chill tonight and enjoy the rest of the night with the fams. It's been so fun celebrating our dad tonight. We're just gonna finish it off with a quiz night. Tuivasa has prepared that for tonight. But thanks again for tuning in into our birthday vlog tonight. Tanikiu, manuia po.
Bible. We'll get Bible.
Bible?
Yeah.
Second Bible?
The first.
Yeah. The second one?
Yeah.
500?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, no surrender. Your question is true.
Nice, Mom.
Tim. 10? Final answer? Are we
Ooh.
locking in there?
Ooh, she gave us the wrong answer, man. She gave us the wrong answer.
Just
Ooh. Honor your mother and father, and you shall live longer. Honor your mother and father. Woohoo! Yeah. Come on, let's do it. Bible events.
Bible events?
What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your question is, what is halal?